Hey guys, I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you an extension that you can add to your Google Chrome that can help you read any assignment that your teacher puts on. It can be used on Canvas, it can be used on any website. It's called Snap and Read. So if you go to Google and you search for Snap and Read extension and you click this top one, Snap and Read, it'll bring you to a page that looks like this. Mine says remove from Chrome because I've already added it, but yours might have, say, add extension in this blue bar. So you would click that, and it'll show up over here. It's kind of this little blue thing that looks like almost like a target a little bit. And if you hover over it, it says Snap and Read Universal. So the way to use this is if you go to a website, and you click on it, it'll bring up this black bar on the side. And let's say you wanted to read this document right here. You would click on the little square. It says Screenshot Reader. So you click on it. It'll bring up this kind of arrow or target looking thing. And then you just kind of click and highlight over what you want read. Sometimes after you unclick, it'll bring up a box, and sometimes it takes a second to load. But once you do that, it'll kind of sort it out and start reading.
December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy. The United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan.
All right, so if you wanted to stop it right there, you could just click and then exit out. And as you can see, as it's reading, it'll highlight the word in green. Another way you can use this is just by clicking the speak button at the top. And then if you click wherever you want it to read.
This excerpt refers to an event that caused the United States to declare war. What was that event?
And then click on the screen again when you want it to stop. It'll stop reading. That doesn't always work for things like this because it was a screenshot taken from a different document. So if it doesn't work, just trying to click on it, then you might need to go to this screenshot reader to get it that way. So hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.